If your close-up photos looks like this and you want them to be sharp, I have a solution for you. Jump in. First of all, you need Photoshop. We will focus stacking the images. For some reason, Photoshop pop-up shows at my other display, but anyways, go to the file, scripts, load files into stack. Here select the range of photos that you took and hit OK. To achieve a good result, you need to take several photos at a wide open aperture and move the depth of field across the object. The more pictures you take, the better result you will get. I took those photos with the Helios 44M4 at f2 and a full frame 6D Mark II. With a crop camera you'll need fewer steps because the depth of field will be wider. After importing, you need to align all your layers, so select all of them and go to Edit Auto Align Layers. It will take some time, especially if you have a potato computer. In a pop-up, set it to Auto and hit OK. Now go again to the Edit tab and select Auto Blend Layers. Set it to Stack Images and select both checkboxes. Hit OK. After processing, you will get a stunning close-up picture with sharp edges. It will mask all in-focus areas and stack them into one single image. You can adjust the mask manually if you need. And now take a look at that, how nice it is. I mostly like the result except for the left side. But why not close the aperture? I saw some YouTubers say that you need to shoot at f22 and you will get the right result. No way, you will fail without light speed. I took a photo at f16 and here's what we have. Because of the lack of light, you need to bump your ISO and completely destroy the image. Or you need to set the exposure to a couple of minutes, which is also not the best solution. In both cases you will have a noisy image with low contrast. I'll try to make something with it and let's compare it to the focus stacking image. What do you think? Which is better? Let me know in the comments below. And sorry I lost the same quarter and we will compare it with the different one, but it will give you an example of how it looks.